Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 2nd of January, 1976, in Madras, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tvam Sajivam.
Fire, explain.
Oh, because people can't see life in fire, they think there's no life in it, so therefore there's no life in the sun. But it's just like the Tata factory. When you see it from a distance, there's many flames and fires, but inside there's many people who are working. Therefore, just because you can't see life in fire doesn't mean it's not there. We see life in the earth, we see life in the water, we see life in the air, so why not in the fire? Is that all right?
Now, question answer.
Well, one question is that the people in the Tata factory are not actually in the fire. They're not actually in
They are also not in the fire. I say even if it is in the fire, there is no harm because the living soul is not burnt to fire. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Adajayam, Daj. Daj means burn. It is not burned. This is a wrong conception. Because they have no conception of the soul. They think, Bhasibhutasya dehasya. The body is burned, then the soul is also burned. If the soul is burned, then where is the question of tatha dehantara prapti? How? In the Hindu system, they burn the body. If the soul is also burned, then where is punarjanma?
We can accept that the soul is not burned, but what about the body?
Body is burned.
So how can any body
So
live in the sun?
if you have got fiery body, as your body is made of earth, the fish body is made of water, and so many others, different elements. So similarly, there the body is made of fire, fiery body. The so-called scientists, education is there, everything they conclude according to his own position. Therefore, abhijananti mang mura. They think Krishna also like me.
So the fish is in the water, but the fish is not water.
He is not water, but he has got a body suitable for the water.
So the people on the sun have earthly bodies who can tolerate heat.
There is no heat. They live just like they are not suffocated. They don't feel any inconvenience. They enjoy. Against the waves, they enjoy. You cannot go against the waves. They can go, a small fish. You'll find within this there are so many animals, so many. How they are living.
Also, science cannot explain how it is burning. Where's the fuel supply and there's no smoke?
Nothing.
No
They are
waste.
all, therefore we say simply rascals. We have given this title to them. Everlasting. All rascals. Mura. Mura na abhijanati mame bapparava. How Krishna is working, they do not know. The scientist says there is no life. Just disagree with them.
No life?
And scientists, yes, they say there is no life in the sun.
In the sun.
No, they say in every planet there is no life.
Yeah, only the Earth planet.
Only the
Well, they have to qualify. They say life as we know it. They say there's no life as we know it, but there's subtle forms of life that they don't
as
know.
we know, but what do you know?
That's
You are rascal.
They're trying by radio waves to reach people.
Sarvaga, this word is Sarvaga. Jivatma sab jagah hai. What is the meaning of the radios? Do you think that the radios are perfect? Do you think so? What Achyutanand Maharaj? Radio perfect? It is not perfect.
And I think the demigods and higher beings, they can disturb all their radio attempts.
Now, apart from that, how you can accept the radio machine are perfect? Because it is made by imperfect person. So how it can be perfect? If the manufacturer is imperfect, how he can make perfect machine? Nothing is perfect.
Actually, the United States government has a whole agency for unidentified flying objects that people have seen that they keep secret so as not to frighten the whole America, thinking that visitors from other planets will come. But there are many incidents of pilots who fly around in airplanes who see other strange-looking objects coming at them, flying at them, or people from the ground have seen many.
One guy testified that he was picked up and taken away for 4 days.
Well, that was...
What is there? Police? No. Mounted police?
Yes, mounted police. Is this where Swami Vivekananda...
Yes. After coming back from foreign countries, he made his position here in Madras.
In Calcutta, we have a life member, Vaini Shankar Sharma. You stayed in his house.
Yes.
So he wrote a book called An Unknown Chapter of the Life of Swami Vivekananda. And in there he openly says that he smoked a hookah and ate meat.
Yes, that is not everyone.
In Hyderabad, there is a cook who used to cook for the Ramakrishna mission. And he says they used to cook any kind of meat.
Yes.
I said, did you ever cook human meat? He says, if they told me, I would have done that also. There was nothing beyond their diet. Anything they told me to
This
cook.
building belongs to Vivekananda Society, no?
Probably.
Vivekananda House.
So they say Swami Vivekananda walked barefoot all over India at some stage of his... This statue here is his life as a wandering sadhu.
The question is, who is a sadhu?
Yeah.
Who is a sadhu? You cannot say.
One who is Krishna conscious.
Apite sudurachara bhajate mam ananda bhak sadhu eva samanta. Unless one is 100% Krishna conscious, he is not a sadhu. Sadhava sadhu bhusana titiksava karumika svedam sadhu bhutana ajata sattva shanta sui sadhava sadhu bhusana.
This is the vehicle in which we travel. This vehicle is the vehicle in which we travel to all the different cities for making the life members and arranging all the programs in South India. This vehicle.
This is your own?
We are renting.
When I was in South Africa, Johannesburg, beach reminds me of that beach. All statues are crying here. Avatar, yes. And she also came from Ireland to become avatar here.
I heard how she became interested in Gita. She was Christian, and her infant died. So she asked priests, where will this soul go, to heaven or hell? And why? Because he hasn't done anything. So she was never satisfied with their answers. So then she heard that there's transmigration of the soul. Then she became interested in the Gita. India.
Did she understand?
Well, only up to transmigration of the soul.
She admits.
Yes.
Practical things, theoretical things, 2 and 2 will always be 4.
Yeah.
But we people don't agree so far.
You want 5?
You want 5, correct.
Fourthly wanted to bring it
fourthly to make it 5.
How good possible?
There is a story that a grocer's son was doing business, and when he was given the 5 rupees note, so he was giving 4 rupees. So the customer said, why are you giving me 4 rupees? Now I do not know what is the exchange. No, it is 6 rupees. So, no, my father will be angry.
Yes.
When he knows perfectly well what is 5 rupees. But he is innocent when he was giving 4 rupees. And when the customer only 6 rupees, he will say, no, my father will be angry. They havoc by misinterpreting Bhagavad Gita. All people, according to their wish, 5 rupees not means 4 rupees, by imagination. They have created havoc all over the world. Otherwise, everything is there.
Yes.
Avajananti mangamudha. If we take Krishna's instruction, then whole world becomes immediately happy. But they will not take it. They will manufacture their own. 2 plus 2 equal to 5 or 3. Not exactly the 4.
This all anxiety and dukkha have been created by the man
Yes,
himself.
they are
Nobody else is doing for him. He created himself. And then he said, I am in misery, I am in trouble. Trouble is created by you.
Yes.
Nobody else can create that.
So that is explained in the Bhagavad Gita that mind is the enemy and mind is the friend. So we created our mind enemy or friend and we suffer for that.
Very powerful. Mind is very, very powerful.
In the Bhagavad it is said, Vyashyasi bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gunai tattva samasate sura harava bhaktasya kuto mahatuna manorathena asato dhavato vahi. One who is Krishna conscious, he has got all the good qualities. Vyashyasi bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gunai. All good qualities can be manifested. And harava bhaktasya kuto mahantana. One who is not devotee, he has no good quality. Why? He is so educated. Manorathena. He is hovering over the mind. Therefore, asato dhavato vahi. He will stick to this asat. But the basic injunction is asato ma sadgama. He cannot go to the real platform of life. Asato. They do not understand that this godless civilization is the root cause of all calamities.
Yes.
नाम जपन से भी मन पे कंट्रोल होता है.
तो नाम जपता है 2 मिनट और 24 आवर्स अलग में, तो उसमें क्या हो?
कंसंट्रेशन होना चाहिए. नाम जपन के अंदर में भी
कंसंट्रेशन अपना होता है.
नाम में तो बड़ा ताकत तो है.
कीर्तनीय सदा हरि. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Kirtaniya Sadahari. 24 hours you have to do that. But when it's 24 hours, it is not 24 minutes. नाम जपने से तो होता है, बाकी कीर्तनीय सदा है. पिनादपि सुनीते न तरोरपि शशि सुनरा अमानी ना मानवे न कीर्तनीय सदा है. अरे से नेक्टर ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन अभी रिसेंटली पब्लिश हुआ, उसको पढ़िए किस तरह से हो सकता है.
कल पुस्तकें आपकी बिक्री होगी बोल रहे थे कहीं देखकर.
There are no book for sale.
Book was not in sale yesterday.
That book is not available in India.
It just came. It's a brand new book.
No, other books they are not.
Books. You are printing our
other books. Other books were there. They were on the book table. There was a book table.
Keep in prominent place so that others can see. And any book which is not in stock, you can note down his order so that you can send him later on.
He will come every day. He is coming.
Yeah.
Mostly approaching every member.
Like recently I published very important book, Nectar of Instruction. For common man it is very nice. The hall, yesterday lecture you liked.
Yes. Thank you all.
Sleep on the streets. They've arranged this housing. It is very minimal. So what many of these slum dwellers do, and people who are living on the streets, is they come here and they go back and live on the streets, but they rent out the apartment that the government has given them, and they keep the money. They go back and live on the streets.
This house is it? This is all built by the government and given free of charge to the poor to clear the slum.
Therefore, Bhagavad says, Tasyaiva heta prajate takho vida nalabhate jad bhamatam upajjada. तद्लभति दुख बदन्नत सुखम कालेन सर्वत्र गोविंद। जिसको दुख भोगना है वो मकान कर देने से क्या वो भोगेगा। यही पुलिस अटेम्प्ट चलता है। जो दुनिया में थ्री क्लासेस ऑफ मैन आर देयर, अपर क्लास, मिडिल क्लास, यू कैनॉट चेंज इट, लॉज ऑफ नेचर।
अपर क्लास होकर के भी दुख तो हम लोग भोगते ही हैं।
दुख तो सभी को भोगने पड़ेगा।
ये
जो जैसा विवेकानंद फिलोसफी है, दरिद्र नारायण, नारायण दरिद्र को नारायण बना दिया, नारायण ऐसे बन गया। ये सब मैन्युफैक्चर होता है। हाउ यू कैन चेंज दिस? फर्स्ट ड्यूटी इज first of all enlighten them with knowledge that is required, not by external bodily comforts.